Smiling is one of the fastest ways for you to connect with the audience members, and Victor Box says it really very well. The smile is the shortest distance between you and the audience. So smiling, I think it's really very, very important, not just for a networking event, social setting, in a group interview, in a one-to-one kind of connection with others. Feel free to smile, but of course use the barometer of common sense to tell you when to smile and when not to smile. If it's something that you're talking about that's rather sad, that is not very appropriate for you to smile, like the beloved pet of your friend just died. You're not going to be smiling and, hey, your pet just died. You won't be smiling in that way. So you'll be smiling, but take note of the occasion and make sure that it's appropriate as well. Smiling is one of the best ways, fastest ways, along with, like, for example, humor and all. But I would say smiling is free, and you won't really even need to, like for humor, know the punchline, how to do the setup and build the momentum. So smile as often as you can, because that's going to be very helpful to you as a presenter when you smile as well.